I spent the last 7 days testing 20 different AI tools for 2026. The data reveals an industry structurally designed to mislead users. Many viewers here at JobCast Daily have expressed frustration with the noise surrounding hidden platforms promised by content creators. Subscribing to this channel helps filter that noise, but the evaluation starts with the data. I narrowed this evaluation to 5 primary platforms: ChatGPT, Runway ML, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, and Pictory AI. Navigating the 2026 market requires surviving the engagement traps designed to monetize your attention rather than your output. Beginners are often paralyzed by an inability to distinguish between a tool that builds a sustainable freelance business and an influencer hype vehicle. Marketing sets a baseline expectation that these applications require zero effort to produce massive financial payouts, as shown in this top left cluster. Current market conditions dictate that you must trade either a steep technical learning curve or expensive compute time to achieve value. Selecting a tool in the wrong quadrant burns a $30 subscription and hundreds of hours building a skill that the market has already commoditized. This comparison framework begins with Pictory AI. Its output is automated stock video. The input required is feeding the software generic text to generate stock footage and captions. This low barrier to entry results in total market saturation. These videos lack algorithmic reach without heavy human editing. ChatGPT's basic copywriting functions carry the same low barrier risks. Standard ChatGPT output typically results in fast, grammatically correct blog posts that lack strategic depth. Unedited AI text has lost its market value among freelance clients who can now generate it themselves for the price of a single subscription. Charging premium rates for ChatGPT work requires significant time spent editing for tone, strategy, and brand voice. Raw generated assets hold no value when the barrier to entry is zero. 11 Labs occupies the space between low-effort generation and broadcast quality output. Operationally, this requires uploading scripts and fine-tuning voice cloning parameters for specific emotional cadence. The audio quality is professional and convincing. However, standalone voiceover work is shrinking because clients have direct access to the same software. To monetize professional-grade outputs, the skill must be bundled into a complex service like full video or audiobook production. Leonardo AI moves the evaluation into the high-effort, high-reward quadrant. Success with this tool requires mastering complex node-based prompting and iterating on generation seeds over dozens of hours. Node-based prompting is a method of connecting different functional blocks to control the specific visual geometry and style of an image. This level of technical friction allows creators to charge premium hourly rates for commercial assets like game sprites. Creating these assets requires a significant technical learning curve and a foundational understanding of art composition. Runway ML's Gen 3 represents the most powerful platform tested. Runway demands both financial and technical input, requiring expensive compute credits and mastery of frame-by-frame text-to-video motion prompting. Compute credits are the currency used to pay for the massive processing power required to render AI video. The output consists of bespoke, cinematic B-roll and visual effects for commercial clients. Achieving usable footage requires a costly trial and error process, creating a high financial risk for the creator. Revenue paths remain uncrowded on platforms that are complex and expensive to learn. The AI landscape in 2026 is governed by the inverse value law. This chart shows that the financial value of any generated asset decreases precisely as the ease of generating it increases. As the blue line for ease of use climbs, the red line for market value drops. Small business owners and content creators must apply this law to their tool selection. ChatGPT and 11 Labs function as cost-cutting overhead utilities for established operations, rather than products to be sold. AI either scales an existing operation or demands the acquisition of a new technical skill. Freelancers starting without an existing business must follow a different roadmap. Leonardo AI and Runway ML offer the best returns because their technical difficulty prevents immediate market saturation. The branch for push-button automated income leads to an empty result. Software that generates thousands of dollars a week while you sleep is non-existent. Subscription fees for those services are a net loss. Your chosen direction determines your strategy. Comment below if you are pursuing the efficiency path or the skill-building path. Mastering the software is the first hurdle. Subscribe to JobCast Daily to see our next investigation into the enterprise subscription costs that are quietly bankrupting new freelance businesses.